guys, Steph here. Some exciting news for you people out there. I'm very excited that I'm ready now to launch a product that I've actually been working on for quite a while. I know there's other people. There's my fellow YouTuber Stephen Brown, who launched his own ink. So I thought, right, so what we'll do, we'll launch a Grandmia pens ink. And what I decided to do, nice and simple, is launch a ink, a invisible ink. Yes, invisible ink. Now, I'm excited because the first batch is now ready, and we're actually ready. I'm actually in talks with a bottling plant to bottle the ink in some nice bottles, but the formula itself is now done. It's ready to go. As I said, we just need to bottle it up and it'll be ready for sale. Absolutely great, absolutely buzzing, excited that it's all finished. I've got the formula right, everything is looking great, so let's bottle it up and let's get it on the market. So it'll be available for sale soon to my viewers, so don't forget, once it's ready and bottled, get your invisible ink quickly, because I'm sure it's going to sell out soon. Now what we'll do, we'll actually test the ink for you, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to use this pen for a demonstration purposes. It's a Parker Duofold standard. Incidentally, this gorgeous pen is available. It's looking for a new home, so if you're interested, get in touch. But we're going to use this pen to demonstrate my new formula, my new invisible ink. So I've got it in these pots. As I said, we've not actually sort of sorted out the bottling yet, so let's fill the pen up. There we go. Just give it a little shake. Let's pop the top off. As I said, I've been working on this formula for many months. I've now got it right. So, as I said, repeating myself, I'm in talks with a famous ink manufacturer to get the ink bottled and get it out onto the market. So let's bring on our pad here and let's see how the pen actually writes and how the ink performs. So what we've got is a Parker, as I say, this one's the standard, and it's made in England. We're dating it sort of round about sort of 1950s through to the 1960s. It's writing very nicely. We don't expect any sort of flex from these pens, but writing very smoothly indeed. And as you can see, my invisible ink is also performing very nicely indeed. So there we have it. So we've got an invisible ink specially designed for fountain pens. It can be used in different sort of places, maybe security industry for writing secret messages, sending letters abroad. Obviously there's a lot of cyber attacking going on with large companies, so this would be absolutely ideal. So there's the writing sample. As you can see, writing very nicely and invisibly. I'm absolutely over the moon. So And there's the pen. Don't forget, anybody interested, give me a shout on that. But there we have it. I'm really excited. I'm actually buzzing. The ink, as I say, I've been working on it for many months to get the formula just right. I feel it's absolutely superb. It works excellent, and all we need to do, get it in some nice little presentation bottles, get it on the market. And what I'll actually be doing for a special period only for all my viewers, I'll be selling it at a promotional price. So if you're interested, get in touch. So, quite a brief video just to show you my new product. I'm excited. I hope you guys are excited. Leave a comment below, don't be shy. Subscribe to my videos. Give the video there a thumbs up if you like it. And don't forget, subscribe and leave a comment. I'd be interested to know what you think of my new invisible ink. But for now, I'm just going to say Slavo Ukraini from me and this new product. I'm just going to say an exciting bye-bye.